I'm gonna make one more bow, and this one, I hope I have enough ribbon. I'm gonna make it small though. And this is gonna be a regular bow. And I'm gonna leave a bit of a tail. We're not gonna make this very big. All right, this is one-sided ribbon. So what we're gonna have to do is alternate the sides to make sure that we end up with the ribbon facing out on each loop, okay? So I'm gonna do it this way for you. Decide how long you want your tail. You're gonna pinch it and you're gonna twist it, because our first loop is gonna go to the right, okay? I'm going to pinch it and go behind, and I'm gonna cinch it, pinch it. Then I'm gonna measure my loops and make sure that they're pretty close to the same size. And if not, just adjust it. Now, we have to turn that ribbon again. Make your loop, kind of measure it there. Pinch it down. Now we're gonna twist. Come back over here. And make sure that our loops are about the same size. This one's a little small, so add to it. A little bit more. All right. Now, keep holding it. Make sure the ribbon is facing you, the pretty side. We're going to make another loop. Pinch. Now it's backwards again, so we got to twist it. And we're going to make one more loop here. And I'm going to have to stop there because it doesn't look like I have enough to do a bigger bow. This is too big, so I'm going to move it a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to take a pipe cleaner and I'm going to go in through here. Pinch everything down. Make sure you're in the middle. Don't let everything move. Push it around a little bit. And then we're going to fluff it. And there we go. We have a really pretty bow. Now, one thing we can do, if you want a little pretty center in here, is we can take the end, twist it, make sure it goes between the two pieces of the pipe cleaner in the back, and you can kind of fold this a little bit if you need to. I'm just going to kind of pinch it. And then I'm going to also twist it back here so that I still have the pretty side out, okay? And then I'm going to bring it back up between and twist. Look at that. And then we're just going to dovetail our ends. And look what we have. So let me put it on the wreath. You got to see this one. It turned out really pretty. And look at that.